So in this factoring problem, we're asked to use the difference of squares pattern to factor the following. Now we remember that difference of squares is a squared minus b squared. And it always factors down to the quantity a minus b times the quantity a plus b. So we notice that a is the value being squared in the first term. So we can tell that a is 6x, because if you multiply 6x by itself, 6x times 6x is 36x squared. And we can tell that b is the quantity, y plus 5, because that is the quantity that is being squared as the second term in this polynomial. So therefore, when we factor this, we'll have a minus b. Now this is the one we've got to be careful about. A is 6x. When we subtract b, we have to subtract all of b, not just the y, but the 5 as well. And then our a plus b would be 6x plus our y plus 5. So when you subtract the y plus 5, it's like you're distributing a -1 to each of those terms in the binomial y plus 5. So we would have in our first factor 6x minus 1y and 6x minus 5. Our second factor, of course, would just be 6x plus y plus 5. We notice that all of the variables have an exponent of 1, nothing larger, so there's no more factoring that can be done. So that is your final answer.